Hey, what's up? It's ill.gates. Welcome to the brand new Producer Dojo YouTube page where finally we're making some of the content that was previously only available in the members area at Producer Dojo available to the public on YouTube. There's also some stuff that is primarily available on YouTube that we've made just for this channel, such as the new Ill Methodology 2.0. The first Ill Methodology workshop I did in like 2011, and it sold like thousands and thousands of copies, and it still sells well today. It's still one of my top earning products every week. And that workshop really helped a lot of people, like tons and tons of people come out of the woodwork, and they're like, Dylan, that workshop flipped the switch. It helped me to make the changes that I needed in my life and my mentality to be able to approach music and get results. And those people have included Mr. Bill, G. Jones, Minnesota, Morgan Page, Danny Asadi, Beats Antique, like tons of people. And the proof is in the pudding. Many of those people went on to be very successful. There's a lot of excellent music by the members of the dojo that comes out on the Producer Dojo record label, including my music. Just like in the last 9 months, I did 2 back-to-back full-length albums, a single, a remix EP, a remix for So Down and Defunk, and then I have next week a official remix with Alanis Morissette and Soli that is coming out next week. So that's pretty exciting. But yeah, so check out some of my music if you are deciding whether I know what I'm talking about or not. Check out some of the music on the Producer Dojo label if you're trying to figure out whether this stuff works or not. I think the music says everything that's need to be said. I think you're really going to enjoy all this content. The one thing that I ask is that you please engage with the videos, like, comment, subscribe, share. All of that interaction is appreciated. It's always lovely to hear from everybody, but it also helps the algorithm and helps out the channel, because things were going great when it was all totally private. I love to share, and I love to meet new people, and I'd love to know that there could be someone out there who doesn't have any money or opportunities, and they get a chance to check out what's on this YouTube channel, and that it makes a difference in their life, and that they can express themselves and make the music that they want to make, because you don't need gear anymore, really. You just need time and the right approach. You can make all kinds of great music just on your phone. Don't forget that the beat for Damn, the beat for Humble on Kendrick Lamar's Grammy-winning Damn album was made on an iPhone with GarageBand. There is that potential now available to everybody, and being able to make the music that you want to make, it's not just a technical problem. It's primarily a psychological problem, an organizational problem, a problem of priorities, a problem of discipline, of facing your own demons, really, to build yourself into the maker of the music that you need to make, that you hear calling you in your dreams. The person that makes that music is you. And I want to help you find that person, and I want to help you express what that person has to say, because we're all waiting to hear what you come up with. We can't wait. So hopefully this is useful. I'm really curious to see what happens after unveiling all this useful stuff. I can't wait to hear what you come up with. So yeah, please just engage with the channel. Tell your friends, comment, question, post tracks you made with if you've used any of this stuff in a track or whatever. I want to hear it. I'd love to check it out. But yeah, lots of love, happy music making, enjoy the channel, and I'll see you on the flip. Peace.
It hits all by itself.